Welcome to OBDSync. In this episode we're going through how to program a replacement instrument panel cluster in a Holden TJ Trax. So first off, click the vehicle button and then go to the instrument cluster tile. This will then begin loading in the available options for this module, or we'll show the licensing screen if you haven't licensed already. Once it's loaded in, we're first off going to go up to the flashing tab. We're going to then make sure that we have a battery charger or maintainer fitted and the ignition is set to on, and once it is, we'll go ahead and click right. This will then begin downloading the required files for this instrument cluster to suit this specific vehicle. Once it's downloaded, we'll then see it will begin the flashing sequence. Flashing of the instrument cluster in a Holden TJ Trax takes less than 30 seconds to complete, as we'll see here, so it is nice and fast. It is very important to make sure that the ignition is on and also that a battery charger is fitted to ensure this is successful. Once it's done, we'll then see a pop-up indicating that it has completed and the flash is successful. Go ahead and click OK. We'll then go to the Learn Functions tab. We'll then perform the configuration and setup, which only takes a few seconds for it to complete. And then finally, we'll do the VIN security link, which will program the required VIN and immobilizer information for that vehicle. It does take 10 to 15 minutes to complete, so do keep that in mind. It's just a matter of following the prompts as they go along to get that all done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.